This is how to play There Is Power in the Name of Jesus by Tasha Cobbs. The original key of the song is the key of A, which is this key. So I'm going to start first by playing this song to you guys using the key of A, and then I'll break it down after on the key of C sharp. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. So on the key of A it says, there is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus to break every chain. Okay, it's very simple. It has a very simple chord progression, which is 6, 4, 1, and 5. Okay, so let's break it down on the key of C sharp. On C sharp, it starts right on this chord. Alright, I believe everyone can see it, this chord. Okay, this is our number 6 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as A sharp minor chord. Okay, A sharp minor chord. From here, it goes to 4, which is this chord. This is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as F sharp major, but it's a first inversion. Okay, it's a first inversion. I believe everyone can see it. Okay, so from 4, it goes to 1. A second inversion. Okay, this is our number 1, but it's a second inversion. It's C sharp major, second inversion. This chord, I believe everyone can see it. From 1, it goes to 5. This is our number 5. Okay, this is G sharp major chord. It's not an inversion, it's a root chord. Okay, so I said it's 6, 4, 1, and 5. Alright, so on the left, when you play 6 on the right, on the left you're gonna play 6. When you play 4 on the right, on the left you also go to 4. When you go to 1 on the right, on the left you also go to 1. When you play 5 on the right, on the left you also go to 5. It's quite easy, right? So let's combine our left hand together with our right hand. It's 6, 4, 1, 5. You play every chord 2 times, okay? You're gonna play 6 2 times, 1, 2, 4 2 times, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's very easy. So until we meet again guys, God bless you.